Have you ever finished a cleaning project, maybe worked on your car, or even tackled a pest problem, and found yourself wondering what to do with the leftover chemicals or old solutions? It is a common question, and one many people unfortunately answer by pouring them straight down the drain. But here is the critical truth. Pouring chemicals down the drain is a significant and serious risk, one that can lead to immediate dangers to your home and health, alongside severe long-term environmental damage. The dangers begin right in your home. Many chemicals, when mixed, can react violently, creating toxic fumes or even explosions. Think about mixing a strong acid-based drain cleaner with a bleach-based product. This combination can release dangerous chlorine gas, which is highly irritating to your eyes, skin, and respiratory system. Additionally, many household chemicals like paint thinner, motor oil, or oven cleaners are corrosive or highly flammable. They can eat away at your pipes, especially older ones, leading to costly leaks and structural damage to your plumbing system. The heat generated by some chemical reactions can even melt or crack plastic pipes. Beyond your immediate plumbing, the problems extend to your community's water infrastructure and the environment. If you are on a septic system, these chemicals can kill the beneficial bacteria that break down waste, causing your system to fail and requiring expensive repairs. For homes connected to municipal sewer systems, these hazardous substances can overwhelm water treatment plants. They are not designed to filter out many industrial solvents, pesticides, or heavy metals. This means these pollutants can pass through the treatment process untreated, eventually ending up in rivers, lakes, and even our drinking water sources. This contamination harms aquatic life, disrupts ecosystems, and poses a direct threat to human health through polluted water supplies. So, what is the right way to handle these materials? The first step is always to read the product label for specific disposal instructions. Generally, you should never pour anything labeled as corrosive, flammable, toxic, or reactive down any drain, including sinks, toilets, or storm drains. Instead, store leftover chemicals in their original, tightly sealed containers, keeping them out of reach of children and pets. Then, research your local hazardous waste disposal options. Most communities offer household hazardous waste collection events or have designated drop-off facilities, where these materials can be safely processed and disposed of in an environmentally responsible manner. Understanding the specific impact of even seemingly benign chemicals is key. For instance, just 1 gallon of motor oil poured down a drain can contaminate 1 million gallons of water, making it unsuitable for use. Even paints, which might seem harmless once dry, contain solvents and heavy metals that become concentrated in our waterways when improperly disposed of. These seemingly small actions accumulate into a much larger problem, affecting water quality, biodiversity, and the health of communities downstream. Proper disposal means these chemicals can sometimes even be recycled or neutralized safely, avoiding their releases into vulnerable ecosystems. By taking a few extra moments to properly dispose of household chemicals, you are not only protecting your own home from potential pipe damage, costly repairs, and dangerous fumes, but you are also making a vital contribution to the health and safety of your community and the wider environment. This responsible approach helps preserve our precious water resources, supports healthy ecosystems, and ensures that the places we live remains safe and clean for everyone, now and in the future.